So have you heard about the name VinFast?
No.
You live in North Carolina, in Raleigh, and you don't know what VinFast is.
No.
Well, I'm telling you, that's the reason I'm here. See what I'm wearing my hat right here?
Yeah.
It's that V.
VinFast.
VinFast. It's tomorrow we will have a ceremony called groundbreaking ceremony. They VinFast gonna open the electric car factory in Moncur.
Okay.
Yeah, it's about 30 miles from here.
Okay.
It's a new factory. It's probably be ready in about a year or 2 years. And the VinFast is the electric car.
Okay.
Right now, only have them. They have them available in California, and I'm driving one of them.
Okay.
And that's the reason I'm here. I share my user experience. You know, the first ever Vietnamese electric car in America.
Yeah.
And that's the reason why the company invited me to the groundbreaking ceremony tomorrow, so I can share with my audience.
Okay.
And you're gonna be on my video on channel.
Awesome.
Is that okay, Si?
That's totally fine, man.
All right.
Good to meet you.
I'll give you my channel name so you can check it out. Okay.
Perfect. I like it.
Since you're driving a Chevrolet EUV, I think once you watch my YouTube channel, I'm pretty sure you will want to upgrade to the VinFast EV. It's going to be produced here in near Raleigh in your state, in North Carolina. So it's all over the news, but not everybody followed, electric car news.
Right.
So.
Well, I actually don't follow news at all. Focused on other things right now, so.
Huh?
I'm focused on other things right now.
Yeah, I know.
Working on businesses.
I know. You already have a Chevrolet Bolt, so you're not really looking for any more EV news. So that's why you probably don't know about it.
Well, yeah, that may be. There are a lot of companies that are coming up right now, and it's a growing market. So I'm always interested to see what's next.
Yeah.
There's Lucid. There are a lot of technology. Rivian, right? Tesla, and then all the major car manufacturers have got into EV as well.
Yeah.
So now we're at a time where the only thing that needs to happen is the improvement of the battery technology.
Yeah.
Right. So once we go to solid state, that really is going to be a game changer.
Yeah. And VinFast working with batteries start up in Israel called Dot or something like that. It's gonna, when it's ready, the battery gonna be really fast, charging really fast, and it will give a really long range for the car.
So is it a solid state battery as well, or?
Yeah, I don't know what the detail, but they are partner with
VinFast.
With VinFast, and they. So in a few years, hopefully they'll have them in their car, and it should make a big difference.
That's good.
Yeah. But anyway, you're probably familiar with electric cars since you're driving the Chevrolet Bolt, and they're all kind of similar.
They are.
The only difference are the range and the comfort. And
right. I feel like most car makers actually make a more comfortable car than Tesla.
Yeah. And VinFast is supposed to be like a premium brand, so it have a lot of feature in it. Like you have voice command, and it have the head-up display.
Yeah.
Oh, this hotel is so close to the airport.
Very close to the airport. It'll be an easy ride back. Maybe I'll get you then too.
Yeah.
You can go online and schedule.
Okay, wow, this is so close to the airport. I'm here already.
5 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Well, it was my pleasure to meet you.
All right, I don't see any VinFast car here, but maybe you.
Well, we got a factory out here now.
They have some already in somewhere in the office around here, but I don't know yet. Yeah.
Let me check one out real quick. Since I have you in the car, you can show me the website.
Oh,
Is it VinFast?
VinFast, VIN.
Automotive company. And you said this is the first Vietnamese car Electric
right there,
car?
yeah, right there, yeah.
This is it.
Right there,
Okay.
Yeah. You can actually buy one right now. You can charge them any non-Tesla charging. I use the Chevrolet Bolt EUV charger at home for the VinFast car, and it works perfect.
Wow, so it's agnostic.
Yeah.
All right, good.
Yeah, learn about it, and I'm gonna give you my channel right now, okay?
Okay.
All right, Si, thank you.
All right.
For the ride. Nice to meet you. And I can't believe you live in Sacramento, where I live.
Yeah.
And then you're now here in North Carolina, in Raleigh, where I used to live.
Yeah, all the way to North Carolina.
And you're driving a Chevrolet Bolt EUV. My son I have in my garage.
Nice.
And not only that, you just learn about VinFast and VinFast car. The VF8 is the car I'm driving, by the way.
The VF8?
Yeah. They have
this one?
Yeah. I have a gray color, yeah.
Okay.
And I'll give you my YouTube channel. You can see me doing all kind of crazy stuff on there.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, this will be great. Great. Yeah, I like the blue color on that one.
All right, I'm
check
gonna thank you.
You're welcome.